Do you feel guilty every time you buy something for yourself and that small voice in your head says that you should have not purchased that thing, or maybe you should have saved that money for your future needs? Sounds familiar? Let's talk about it. You see, the guilt, whenever you are spending something, the guilt that doesn't come from your end, it comes from a deeper self that believe that you don't deserve this, that your needs and desires aren't as important as everyone else. Now you sacrifice your happiness thinking it's responsible thing to do. But the mindset isn't just hurting you, it's keeping you stuck in a toxic cycle of a lack and unworthiness. Now here's the kicker. Your guilt doesn't make you better with money. It just steals your joy and happiness. Now, what is the solution for this? Now, here is the truth. You do deserve to spend on yourself and create that happiness and joy. So what you need to do? Very first thing, set a self-love fund. This fund where you can spend that amount guiltlessly, guilt-free account where you can spending this money for doing that shopping which is on a sale, or maybe that online shopping, or maybe that is eating on your favorite restaurant. So this will create more happiness and joy within you. The second thing what you can do is, whenever you are spending money, create that alignment, of whenever you're doing any kind of a transaction, you say thank you to every transaction whenever you are spending that particular money. So this will create a great alignment with you, with your money, so that you are creating a harmony relationship with money. And third is, whenever you are investing money, whenever you are spending maybe that single rupee, or maybe that 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, or 5,000 or 10,000 rupees, just think that this creates a happiness. This is not creating a scarcity in you, because you are investing, you are spending that money for your own happiness, and you deserve this happiness. Okay, so be ready to stop feeling guilty whenever you are spending money on yourself, and you deserve all these money whenever you are spending. And if you want to know more about the tricks and how you can create a perfect harmony relationship with money, I would highly recommend click the link below and join my free WhatsApp group where I give a lot of tips and advices. And also, if you want, you can go ahead and join my 14-day money challenge where I go deep in in my 14-day money challenge. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please press like button and share and comment below your thoughts. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.